How to transfer money on Monzo. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So you can send money to anyone with a UK bank account, and in order to do this, you will need the name of the person or the company that you're sending money to, and their account number and sort code as well. So here's how you can make the transfer in the app. First, you need to tap on the payments icon in the menu bar and then tap on pay someone. Tap on make a bank transfer and follow the on-screen instructions. Most transfers happen instantly, but sometimes they can take up to 24 hours. And if your transfer is larger than your limit, you will need to request a limit increase in the app. And to check your account limits, you can tap on the home icon in the menu, then tap on 3 dots on the right of your Monzo card, and then tap on manage account. After that, tap on limits and allowances. And for international transfers, you can also send money internationally through the Monzo app. Depending on the currency, you might need to set up a Wise account, and you must be 18 or older to send international payments. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.